Hi Shilpi, I'm just going to give you some feedback on your assessment this week. So, you answered the questions. I think that um, because it was a discussion forum, I would like to have seen a little more detail and examples with your answers. So it shows that you have thought about the themes, the main ideas, and you in your answers. You have developed those ideas. Um, so that's what I'm seeing here is that they're quite short, but you do have some of the important information from the movie. Um, I do ask you to comment on other students, so that's part of a discussion, and I haven't seen that. I don't think you commented on other students this time. You see how Samson has commented on your on your entry. So, a 14-year-old girl readies for a kayak trip along the shores of the Great Barrier Rainforest with her family to protest oil tanker traffic. Correct. I mean, I can't. That is the summary of the movie. But I think the question was asking you a little more. If we go back to the question, um, in this movie, the main character, Ella, was on a personal journey. Describe the significance of this journey. Do you feel like she accomplished what she intended to do and give examples? Um, so you haven't really answered that here. You're mainly giving a summary. So maybe go back and answer that question again. The next question. Yes, the movie convinced me that the environment and the traditional territories of First Nations people are very important. It would be very hard for us to be in a world where the environment isn't clean or is polluted. Everyone would fall ill because of the pollution. Very, very true. So again, I would just ask you to expand on your ideas a little, give me a little more detail. Another theme that was really important was how they showed family in the movie. Good sentence. It's really for everyone to go back to after the day's work, and that's family. So, good idea there, just maybe a little more detail. And yes, that's definitely one of the important themes. Okay, so I'll be giving you back your the rubric that will have a few more comments on it in class. Thank you very much.